got measure angle DEF, which is 3x plus 1. DEF, how do you find that angle, guys? You always start with DEF, which will be this little piece, and that's 3x plus 1. And DEG, which is the entire thing, is actually 5x plus 19. Well, you want to find the value of x. And something very important they told you is EF, this guy right here, bisects the entire angle DEG, so the whole thing. So why is that information important? Very important, because a bisection basically means a perpendicular bisector is when you cut an angle exactly in half. So if this little piece is 3x plus 1, guess what? This other piece is actually going to be 3x plus 1 as well. Well, what do we know about these two angles? When you add them together, what are they supposed to equal to? You guessed it, the entire thing. So how about we combine these three things? So we have 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1, and that should equal 5x plus 19. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. We can combine the 3x and the 3x. That gives us 6x. We can combine the plus 1, that gives us 2. That equals 5x plus 19. Can we move the x's to one side? Yes, we can. We minus 5x. That will give us 1x plus 2 equals 19. Let's leave the x alone. Minus 2, minus 2. So we have 1x is equal to 17. Now, I know I wrote 1x just because I don't want to confuse you. But again, some people like to write 1x, or whenever it's just a 1 in front of the x, we just say x. Same thing. So we found what x stands for, right? Cool. Now, the homework might ask you, hey, can you find the value of x? Which is what they asked today. However, what if the homework has said, hey, can you find measure angle DEF, which is this angle? Then you would have to go a step further. And if you don't read and type in 17, you're going to get that wrong. So how do you find that angle? Basically, if you already know x equals 17, just plug it in. 3 parentheses. We know that's a 17, right? And that's a plus 1. So let's grab a calculator. What's 3 times 17? That will be 51. Plus 1, that's 52. So we know this angle is 52, and we know this angle is 52. And even crazier, if they asked you for DEG, what if they wanted the whole thing instead? You got to do an extra step, or you're going to get it wrong. You're going to have to add these 52s, which will give you 104 degrees. That would have been your answer for the whole thing. 52 would have been your answer for one of them, and 17 would have been the answer for the letter X. It just depends what they're asking from you.